Welcome to Hairstylist Mind Your Business. This is a platform that is designed for braiders, natural hairstylists, and locticians. My name is Shavana Khan, and I'm a natural hairstylist of 30 years. And what if I told you that there were three components that can transform your business to the tune of a minimum of 6 figures per year? Just that simple. Those components are mindset, systems, and execution. Now, the only requirements are your commitment and your consistency. And this is the conclusion that I've come to after doing it for 30 years. And one of those major components is consistency. It takes a little bit more than just being a bomb stylist. You can only get so far being a really good stylist. You can definitely make some headway. But if you're wanting to have a career in this industry, this multi-billion-dollar industry, and you're wanting to, again, make a minimum of 6 figures, then you're going to need to put some things in place. And one of the first places you start is with your mindset. I know that's one of those terms that we're throwing around a lot and you hear a lot, but it is imperative that you get your mind right. And that consists of thinking about what's your why? Why are you in this industry? What's your goal? What's your end game? What does it look like? These are the things that you really want to ask yourself and come to some conclusions about. And not only are you coming to these conclusions, but you're designing some different training instincts or different things that you can do on a daily basis that keeps you in alignment with what your goal is. So that takes a little tenacity and commitment. So is this something that you're wanting to do? Because if it is, then what's the dedication behind it? Okay, so let's say that you've been in this game for a minute. So you have those basic components down as far as, your mindset. You've already determined that this is what you're doing. So now you're just at the place where you want to make some more money. You're on a whole nother level. So is your foundation straight? Is your business in order as far as your business entity? In the event that you want to get some business funding to expand your business, in which you can do in multiple ways. But in order to do that and to take advantage of things like business funding and partnerships, you have to know your numbers, have them in order as far as having an accountant or using a QuickBooks format. These things are also imperative to scale your business. And a lot of times we can work for years without having these details in alignment and then wonder why we can't get anywhere. We got to have those basics, the basic foundations in order. Your people in place. Who do you need to assist you with these things? Sometimes we can do it ourselves, and sometimes we need to make an investment in our business in order to scale it. So your legal entity is in place. You have your tracking your numbers and your accountant for your taxes, and you're in the position where you can get business funding or for expansion or just capital for maintenance or maintaining your business. Now the question is, how does your business look? What is your brand? And are you growing from that brand? What's your marketing plan? How are you marketing? What social media platforms are you using? Are you using a website, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube? What type of marketing plans do you have? Now, I do want to just back up a little bit and reiterate the fact that if you are in the position of wanting to scale your business and grow your business, really understanding your numbers and what your goals are key. So make sure that you have a bookkeeping system that you're utilizing or a person in place that can help you with that so that you have a very clear, concise understanding of where you are and where you want to go. Then from there, you're going to start to implement things like marketing and possibly investing in different marketing tools. So you can't really go there unless you know where you are and what you're capable of doing. So that's something to really consider when you're talking about scaling and growing your business. And then the breakdown of marketing as far as hiring content creators. If that's not your thing, that's something to definitely consider because you want your business to represent. If you're not demanding or commanding prices that are going to get you to where you want to go, then you're going to have to invest in that certain look, in that logo, in whatever is going to propel you to the position that you want to be in. So maybe you are in the position where you have all of your marketing in place, your social media is tight, but you're just kind of stuck and you're not making the money that you want to make. So that means that you need to dig into the why. How are you operating? Are the clients coming consistently to the point that you can document exactly what the rate of return is? Are you clear on those things? And how are your clients coming back? Do you have a system in place? Different offers where you know that they're coming back. And if you're in that position and you're still not getting the clients that you think that you should have, then you have to kind of look at how you're representing. How do you appear to the market that your demographic, and are you clear on that? These are certain things that you have to kind of dig into. And doing that there's a system behind doing that. It's not just a happenstance. And when you find yourself in that position, it's a time of reflection. And that's where that patience comes in, that discipline comes in, and you're really looking at the fact that are you even on time for your clients? Are you consistent with your clients? Do they know they can depend on you? Are they referring people to you? What does that look like? So once you have all of those things in place, you may be in the position where you need to do a couple of things. Either raise your prices, because your goal again is to scale your business. So at some point you reach a ceiling as one stylist or one person. So you're either raising your prices or you're hiring an assistant or additional stylist.